Since the history of Nigeria, since they named this country Nigeria, now only four good people now don't come outside. This one cut across religion, it cut across regions. Only four people now don't come out where it be say they genuinely mean well for people. And the one way can come out of our time now, people they say he follow us, they touch this, he follow us, they follow them blindly, he follow us, they do this one. Organa thunder go punish you now. You don't understand? Now thunder now go strike you now. Who be these four people? Number one, MKO Abiola. First Nigerian will be say genuinely mean well for the people, but they don't let them see the light of the day. Why? Because in followers they know they touch this. Then they muke like Peter Obi. They know what made them say nothing. Fake love. Number one. Number two, Fela Kuti. In follower, that one just use enemies surround body in the name of friends and partners. Now him meet that one. Number three, Dollar Akuyele. Number four, VDM. For out of the millions of Nigerians when don't come and go, now only four people don't come out when it mean well for Nigerians. Why I go come follow this kind of person? You go say make I not date toxic. Why? Because of all these ones saying they come, now don't use lawsuits, keep them quiet. Now, person way not they fear lawsuits don't come outside. Waiting and when they talk now be say, you follow as they toxic, you follow as they follow and blindly, you follow as na illiterate, you follow as they insultive, you follow as do this one. Oga, leave us alone. May we they toxic. Because for this country to good, MK Abiola come, you know they toxic. Fela come, you know they toxic. Dora Akuyele come, you know they toxic. Now VDM come. Oga, leave us, may we they toxic. Just leave us. Leave us, may we they toxic. You don't understand? Out of the millions of Nigerians when they come and go, they not they toxic. Since now we they toxic, leave us alone. Our toxic nature will leave them. We like them. Leave them for us. Leave our toxic nature for us. You don't understand? We not demuke like Peter Obi.